Welcome to DJMTV.
People are greeting and welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make sure do to follow us, like, share, subscribe. As now here they bring bonge updates come your way. Not be them say. This one is sing for yourself, make you hear them for yourself. For today news, our current entertainment is not given now. All of us don't say our popular Peace Square, they're not there in good terms. Now the elders don't come outside, Jude don't come outside to talk. What's it really they happen between those two brothers? I want to play on the video, make una hear how their quarrel starts. Not be night, it starts. It don't say where it starts. Make una hear how this quarrel starts, money matter and all. Make una watch this video reach the end.
The Peace Square, even if I have not had anything to do with Peace Square for the past 8 years, but it's all good. My name is Jude Okoye, and due to what has been going on for, I think for the past weeks, normally for me, being myself, how I approach stuff like this, I normally sit it out. But I have to come and make this live video because it wasn't about me anymore. My family was involved in the whole thing, and I have to come and tell you guys what it's all about. Okay, first of all, let me start from the beginning of Peace Square. I think most of you already know the story and how Smooth Criminal started through MMPP, then they now became Peace Square. How Peter was more of the Smooth Criminal dancing, and Paul was more of singing after he broke out from dancing with the Smooth Criminals, started following me around and started, singing. Peace Square started having issues from 2013 ending to early of 2014. I tried as much as possible to, because it has been going on since, but from 2013, 2014 was when it went out to the public, when it became public knowledge. And by then, it was so difficult then to curtail, because once something seeps out to the public, it becomes a public thing that you cannot be able to take back. So from 2014, Peace Square had issues, 2015, 2016, 2017. Then they now had a break of almost 5 years and came back in 2020, ending of 2021. And now again, they're having issues again. Why I'm here is because I was, one way or the other, involved in the Peace Square saga once again, even though I have never had anything to do with Peace Square for the past 8 years. Since 2016 to date, I've not been Peace Square's manager, I've not been Peace Square's director, I've not been Peace Square's anything. I have just been on my own, doing my own real estate business, focusing on my own hustle. And one way or the other, anytime there has to be any crisis affecting Peace Square, my name will one way or the other find itself in the midst. I don't know how it happens, but Peter seems to still have a way of bringing me inside the problem. So let's start with the EFCC case. In February, I think February ending, I started getting calls from people that I've done businesses with, people that I have made payments to, and people that have made payments to me. Every transaction I've ever had, telling me that EFCC invited them, and they were asked to come and account for whatever business they had with me. And most especially, all of them were all more on the Dome account. So I was believing that, okay, this problem has to do with the new government that's in place, and that they are chasing Binance, they are chasing everybody that's making the FX rise and whatever. I was like, oh, they'll just look at it and just move past. 22nd of April, 2 days to my birthday, I was invited to come to the EFCC. I went there with Paul. I didn't know that Paul was even invited. He showed me that, oh, he was even invited the same day. I said, okay, let's go to the same day. Let's go the same day. We now went there with our lawyer. We went there. They now opened the file and they were asking me, okay, this money was found in your account. I said, yes. This money belongs to Peace Square. I said, yes. So what is it doing in your account? I was like, why are you asking me what Peace Square's money is doing in my account? It is my own share of P Square. They were like, no, that there's a petition against me. I said, okay, let me see what the petition was about. Then they didn't even give me the petition. That's when I knew that it was Peter that wrote a petition against me since December ending of 2023.
People, I don't watch and finish. Now this one I carry can't give on today. Make una do it to follow us. Like, drop your comment. What do you think concerning this matter? Or to meet again for another news. Make una always do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ AP.